Hey, this is Susan Velez, and I wanted to show you a quick review of the Engagifire. It's a product that I just picked up this morning, and the reason I decided to go ahead and pick this up is because it can be used both on WordPress and HTML sites. So I love the fact that it can be used on HTML sites as well as WordPress. So what I wanted to do was quickly show you the ins and outs of the dashboard. Now, I just picked this up today, so I'm not that familiar with it, but as you can see, I am inside of the Engagifire dashboard, and when you get here, you have the option of campaigns, you have the remote commander, which I have not even used that yet, but what it allows you to do is it allows you to put a pop-up on other popular sites that helps you build, they've already built their authority and you get to collect the lead. So I'm not going to show you that because I haven't really played around with that as well, but I just kind of wanted to show you the ins and outs of it. Now, integrations, this actually, once you create an actual lead box to collect emails, then what you can do is you can download this WordPress plugin, and then it'll provide you with the user ID that you just plug into your WordPress account. And then as well as if you're using an HTML site, then you get a embed code, and you just embed that into your HTML site. And then it also comes with tutorials, so if you are stuck with anything, then you can actually come over here to the tutorial sites videos, and it'll show you how to do stuff. And it also has a tutorial on the remote commander, so that's why I'm not going to go into too much detail on this one, because I haven't used it and I don't want to really make this video too long. So what I want to do is I actually want to create a campaign, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create an email opt-in box for your website. So first thing what you do when you come to your Engagifire dashboard, you're going to come over here and you're going to create a new campaign. So just bear with me because, like I said, I just picked this up this morning and I've just been playing around with it for about an hour. So I'm just going to create something really quick, and I'm going to show you how you would do this. So when you first get here, you can see that there's a ton of templates that you can actually choose from, and it's got 43 designs available. And this is great if you don't have a lot of design skills but you want a fancy looking opt-in box. It's got a ton of opt-in boxes, and you can see that it's got a Facebook cover style, it's got one with social buttons, it's got an envelope opt-in, and also a really cool feature is if you're in the Teespring niche, you can see that it's got some available just for the Teespring niche. And then you can also lock your content and have some people subscribe to unlock the content. And then PayPal, if you sell a product and you want to send them directly to PayPal from your opt-in, you can do that as well too. So there's really a ton of features here, and when you get it, I highly suggest that you just start playing around with it to find your way around and learn stuff how to do this. So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to go ahead and create one really quick, and I'm just going to show you how you would do this. So we're going to go ahead and do this one. It's a holidays opt-in, but I'm not going to keep this. I'm just going to show you how you would drag and drop elements to create it the way you want to create it. So what you do is when you first come here, you can see that it's got all these little drag and drop features. So what you could do is you could just come over here, and just to edit this, you click right here where it says the content is, and then you click on this little settings button right here, and then you can see that all this stuff comes in that allows you to edit stuff. So it doesn't have entrance animation. If you want entrance animation, you have to upgrade to the to one of the OTOs. I'm not sure which one that is, but I didn't upgrade mine. So you can see that you've got several elements you can choose from. So you could choose that one. Let's see what skins 10 is. You could choose that one. So it's got different skin elements that you can change these little bullets around, from the check marks to the little circle discs. And then right here you could change your title, and just click on that, and then your headline opens up. Well, let's close this. Okay. There we go. Okay, so you double click on that, and then your headlines pops up, and then you could just change this. And this is my demo opt-in. So as you can see, you just change stuff around. If you wanted to change the color, you could do that as well too. You could change the size right here, right from this element right here. You could do that. You could italicize it. You could change the text color. You could go orange. So you could pretty much do anything. And if you wanted to change this background image, then I believe you can do that as well too. So let's see. Let's see what it does. Okay, see, you can see that it deleted that overlay. So basically you can take this and make it any way that you wanted to. And then the opt-in boxes, you could come over here and you could change the colors. You could change the actual, what you do when you click on this, you come over here, you paste your HTML code from your GetResponse or Aweber or whatever autoresponder service that you're using. And then you could change these. You could put name, you could change the placeholder text, and you could just place email. And then for the button, you could put get now. So whatever you wanted to go ahead and put in there, you could put in there. And then input buttons, let's see what that does. Okay, so that puts the icons right next to right here. You see these little icons, that removes it and places the icons right there. And then the good thing is you can actually take away that we hate spam as much as you do. You could either choose to keep that, or if you wanted to remove it, you just delete it. And then right here it says open thank you page in a new tab or the same tab. It's set for new tab, which I highly recommend that you just keep as new tab. Or you could change it to same tab and it would open up your thank you page in the same tab. And it allows you to track conversions. So it's really awesome. You could come over here and change the color of the button. This get now, if you'll notice right here, right now it's like an orangish color. We could change that to a, let's change it. Okay, that's actually for the icons right here. It changes the icons from orange to a blackish. Let's change the button background, and this is going to change the button background, and you'll notice that it changed it from an orangish color to the blackish color. And the cool thing is that if you don't like that template, you could come over here and you could just grab one. So let's go over here and just place it. We just grabbed it, and then we're going to place it right there, and it's going to remove this one and automatically just put that one in there. And then you come over here and you just do the same thing, and it's got a countdown timer. It's really cool. So it's got a ton of different opt-in boxes, and as you can see, there's several that you could choose from. So if you didn't want to use that one and you wanted to use a different one, you could just grab it and place it over here, and then just start over dragging and dropping different elements. And then it's also got Amazon widgets. If you wanted to link directly to Amazon, you could just put your Amazon ID in there and then link people directly to your Amazon. Teespring, as I mentioned, it's got Teespring shirts. I'm not a member of the Teesprings, but if you are, then that's awesome. Let's see what the miscellaneous is. It's got Google Maps, HTML code, external websites, geolocator. I think these are the pro. I don't have access to these, but if you upgrade, you'll have access to the geolocation. And then it's got Facebook like button, Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter. It's got all the social medias, and then you can also create your own template. Now, if you wanted to create your own template, then I believe right here, let's see what this is. Then I think this is a blank template that you can just design whatever. Okay, no, this is one of the templates that I created this morning just by playing around with it. And as you can see, it's this kind of like a video. I put in a video right here, and then my opt-in email box, and then I've got to change that. But just playing around with it, I've created one opt-in email box, and like I said, you just play around with it, get the feel for it. If you have a product, you could come over here and put your product. You would link directly to your PayPal, I believe. Let me see. I'm not sure how you do this, but let's see. I believe that. Let's see what this is. Okay, so you would just basically come over here, play with it, try to figure it out. Okay, PayPal name. So you would put your PayPal email address, your product name, your item number, the price, and then your PayPal IPN number or PayPal IPN URL. And then I believe from that, people could purchase your product right on there. Like I said, I just got this about an hour ago, and I've been playing around with it. There's a ton to learn about it, but like I said, you couldn't get lost. Once you get in here, there's tons of tutorials, very helpful, and you can find your way around just by playing around with stuff. But the cool thing is it's really easy to use, very user friendly. I was able to get my first opt-in box on my website in about 10 minutes, and that's only because I was watching the tutorials when I first got started. But I'll be playing around with this a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you the inside of the dashboard. And the cool thing is that once you create your box, you're able to preview it in the different media sizes. So you could go to the full screen, the desktop version, and then you go to like the iPad version, and then you go to the mobile version, so you can kind of see what it looks like on different media screens. So anyway, just wanted to show you the inside of the Engagifire dashboard, and if you really want to take your email opt-in list to a different level and use it both on HTML and WordPress sites, I highly recommend that you get this product today. And you can get the product right from my link below, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.